it's hopeless when you think that you lost. Oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna
You
stop until
are
we
not only
reach
in a
it.
relationship with the people that you're in a relationship with, the biggest relationship you're in is with you, and I think so many people don't realize that. They just think, you know, I am who I am, but it really is a relationship.
Oh, for sure.
So if you were dating someone, you wouldn't get married if you didn't know who they were. So why would you get married if you don't know who you are?
Yeah, and you wouldn't marry them if you hated them. So if you hate yourself, like, if we can do that, that's awesome. Good morning, beautiful. How are you? Today is April 23rd. I can't even believe how long it's been. The last in real time video that I've posted was 3 weeks ago. That's crazy. I hope this time is treating you well. I'm gonna give you a little recap on what I've been doing with some footage that I've captured throughout the weeks. I've been connecting with friends through Zoom. I've been connecting with other women on my friend Christina's goddess circles. I've been on a lot of walks. We're gonna go for a walk, but I don't know if you can hear. It's hailing. I've been through a lot of cries. I've been through lots of webinars. I've been through lots of meditations, and I've been through the ups and downs of this time, and it's been like a little bit of a struggle to get on camera, but sometimes you just need to recharge so that you can come back with your cup filled up, you know? So I launched my podcast 3 weeks ago. I'm definitely feeling a little bit better and up for recording more episodes. If you have any requests for episodes, please comment them below. Today I'm gonna film a hair tutorial on how I get my everyday hair and a makeup tutorial on how I get my everyday makeup. So stay tuned for that. My friend Haley and I were on Zoom today. We are going to be hosting a little workshop soon, which I will advertise on Instagram. Add me on Instagram for that. I feel like most of the waves of my emotions have been connected to just like the uncertainty, and a lot of it is financial uncertainty because if you don't know, like my main source of income is through makeup artistry, and we're not allowed to see people right now. So it's like, but I'm kind of just trusting what's going on and trying to tap in with what I really want to do with my life if this is a sustained thing. So we're just kind of here. Also, hi, I didn't grow my hair overnight. Drew put in my tape-in hair extensions and I was gonna film it, but I was honestly scared. I was honestly scared if it were to go wrong or south, or I would be mad at him. I was just nervous. But he did an amazing job. Obviously the blend isn't perfect because after you put in, I mean, the blend of the hair color is good, but when you put in hair extensions, what I usually do is I'll go get my hair cut so that it's all like seamless. So obviously there's some areas that are not like flowing. It's fine, we do what we can during quarantine. So I'm gonna film now my everyday hair tutorial, which will be in a separate video, but let's go do that now. All right, hair and makeup is done. Now it's lunchtime. Actually, what time is it even? It's 1:30 p.m. The day has been flying. I'm gonna show you clips from a couple days ago of me making the lunch that I'm about to eat because I never used that vlog. It was very boring actually. So this is what I'm making for lunch. I've made this before. It was amazing. And it's barbecue jackfruit with apple carrot slaw. This is what I have in the fridge right now. This has always been the same jackfruit, but these were the only tortillas that they had in the store when I went. They also had corn tortillas, but I wanted like the bigger ones because I just want one big taco. Barbecue sauce, mayo, Greek yogurt, apple, carrot, and the greens I have today are arugula and spinach. spinach. So basically what I do is I heat up this jackfruit and I add this barbecue sauce, because the barbecue sauce that's in this is okay. It's not the greatest, but you could just microwave this pouch. You'll also need cranberries. This is a recipe. If you just type carrot apple slaw, it comes up. I'm probably gonna half this recipe because this makes so much. Also forgot to mention apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. So this recipe calls for honey, but I'm out of honey right now, so I'm gonna just use a little bit of coconut sugar. There we go, a nice apple cranberry carrot slaw. I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. Clean up a little. Just took the jackfruit out of the microwave. I'm gonna take one of these tortillas. Actually, these are smaller than I thought. I'm gonna take 2 tortillas. Bam, bam. A little barbecue sauce. Start with spinach. Taste test. Barbecue jackfruit tacos. Never had this almond flour tortilla before, and I was out of honey, so I feel like it could be better, but let's dig in and see for ourselves. Oh my god, yummy. 2 things about this one: was definitely better with a different tortilla and a lot better with the honey, because the honey with the barbecue sauce is so good, but I'm not complaining. I think this is delicious. Also, I would say skip the arugula. I love arugula, but it's almost a little too sharp at the end. Something I love about cooking from home, or like semi-home making things from home, is like trying different things, trying these tortillas, these almond flour tortillas with this recipe that I've tried with other things, or like sprinkling the arugula on it and trying it, because the more you realize what works and doesn't work, I feel like once I have kids, they're gonna just have these amazing recipes that I've already trialed and errored for them. But yeah, no hate on if you're an almond flour tortilla person. I just think it's an airier texture, if that makes sense, and I like that like bready texture from a regular tortilla. But other than that, so good. And we're back. Ooh. It is almost 2 o'clock. This is usually the time where I do my midday meditation. The meditations that I do are from Dr. Joe Dispenza, and today we're gonna be doing like a love your body meditation. I usually either do this one or the generous present moment from him. I like to go under a blanket. And just for the sake of saving my camera battery, I'm just gonna shut the camera off while I do this, and I'll check back in when I'm done. This is a 25-minute one. See you in a little. That was beautiful. Sometimes after my meditations, I want to grab a journal and just kind of write down just things that have come to my mind. That time is so special and sacred to my days, and I've been trying to do it 3 times a day, and it just really puts you in touch with God and your life and your appreciation for life and gratitude to such small things like breath, oxygen, and especially right now, and your heart, your organs, your beautiful body, like everything. Just that perspective is everything. When I meditate, if I'm in a deep enough state, sometimes I hear things like an idea that of a creative project or somebody that may need to talk to. It's truly beautiful and magical, and I'm so thankful. So look who's here to cuddle. I totally forgot that I said this in my other vlog that I decided not to upload because it was boring, but we dropped Carlton off the other day and I cried so bad, and then it was like a couple days and we went back and picked him up because he's just a bowl of beautiful, my cutie, my cute doggy. Okay, well, I'm kind of inspired to go on a walk. It's a little bit cold outside. I don't think I'm gonna focus on filming while I'm out there because, I don't know, right now I'm just chilling. Okay. Alrighty vlog, it is later in the day. I went on a long walk with Beaglerini and now it's dinner time, and what the heck am I gonna eat? I don't know. Drew, what do you want to eat for dinner?
Brussels sprouts.
Ooh, yes. Can you make those?
Yeah.
Drew's a good cook. We actually have a lot of Brussels sprouts. Brussels! Should just make all of these. We need an onion. That's a lemon. Ooh, we need onions. There's only one left. There's only one. Ooh, ooh, so hilarious. Are we joking?
Stop.
In the kitchen, get her fast. Put some Parmesan on there. Oh yeah, onions in.
Also gonna come in with just a sprinkling, the last sprinkling of garlic powder.
Samantha, stop.
Yes! Yes! Drew, I don't think I can wait for you.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm hungry. That's delicious. I feel like there's a dog getting in between us.
Oh, Christmas.
You're so cute though. You are so cute. Oh, he loved you so much. I feel like you're getting in between us. Alrighty folks, it's end of day. I don't know if you can hear, I have a Tony Robbins podcast playing in the background. I actually listened to a really good live with him and Marina Menounos. I don't know if that's her last name, but it was really, really inspiring. And I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it's been a pretty chill night. It's 8:45 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you stay safe and have a beautiful, beautiful night. Bye. See you next time.